Module 10, School Timetable Planner. Sticky notes everywhere? Lost homework? Time for an Excel timetable. Days across the top. Time slots down the side. Color-coded for every subject. Days across the top. Monday to Friday. Times down the side. Fill in subjects. Color each subject differently. Suddenly your week is crystal clear. 3 planner power-ups. Color code subjects, leave blank cells for free time, and add a homework column where you tick off what's done. Mini project. Build your real school week. Add a homework checklist. Print it and pin it to your fridge. Bonus. Build a study planner for exam week. Next, AI inside Excel. Yes, your spreadsheet has AI superpowers now.